Hey guys, I wanted to take a few minutes to have a little informal video here to talk about some new products that we just came out with. A lot of our customers have units that have the hose and hose machine. The most popular hose and hose machine out there is the Midea Duo. This happens to be a Danby unit, Winter, Toshiba. We had a lot of requests from customers for Bugscreen. So our other twist lock vent for our standard single hose, I tighten that one on there pretty good. So we developed a stainless steel mesh for just standard single hose portable AC units by the request of a lot of customers. After we had these, we started getting a lot of customers that have these hose and hose styles asking us for the same thing. So we actually had a version last year and they worked pretty well, but this year for 2025 we completely redesigned them. So if you order a window vent kit from us and you have an AC unit that utilizes this hose and hose design, you'll get, as of this year, you'll get a kit, installations, instructions, installation kit, and you'll get a set of bug screens for this style hose. It doesn't matter what brand you have. If you have Toshiba, Danby, Midea, Winter, they're all the same. They all utilize the exact same hose. These bug screens will fit on any one of them. To my knowledge, we are the only people in the world that have these right now. No one else seems to sell these, and a lot of customers are asking for them. So kind of the problem is, especially if you're living in a bug infested area, you can get a lot of bugs, gnats, mosquitoes coming in. Some people are worried about birds making a little nest in here, but as you can see, it's pretty wide open. There's really nothing blocking any insects from coming in. And insects, this is an intake hose, so insects could get sucked in and actually go out into your room and start having insects in your room. So by the request of you guys, a lot of our customers, we designed these screens. It's a two-part system, one for the exhaust, one for the intake. This one was a little bit of a challenge to design. This one was almost a nightmare. It was incredibly hard to design this. We've spent hundreds of hours and tens of thousands of dollars actually developing particularly this screen. This one wasn't too bad, but this one was really challenging. But what we have for you is something that I'm very proud of and works really, really well. So how these work is this guy, it's really slick. It just drops right in, and there's little tabs for your fingers. You just twist and it snaps into place. That ain't coming off. That sits in there really nicely. And then here's the bug screen for the intake side as well. There's two little feet, and then there's three little locking tabs. So this one just hooks underneath, and then click, 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 locks into place. So that's how those look. Now you have your bug screen for your intake and your exhaust. Don't have to worry about any bugs coming through and entering into your space. So these are a stainless steel mesh. It's got a 2mm spacing, so it's gonna protect from the smallest of insects from coming into your space. Keep everything protected, sealed off there. If it gets dirty over time, you can clean them. So yeah, we spent a lot of time into these. At the moment, so this is the first year we started selling these with this new redesign that we have. We only ordered a limited amount of these for 2025, so we're only offering these for customers that purchase a window vent kit. If you order a window vent kit, it comes automatically with your order. We're not even charging for these because we just want to take a year just to kind of get them out there. Next year we might start charging for them. Next year we might actually put it on the website to sell individually. Right now we're not selling them individually just because we don't have enough. But if you do really want these, they do come with a window kit if you buy a window kit from us. I do want to make a note that if you have a sliding window and your hose needs to be oriented vertically like that, so it would be kind of oriented vertically, these are incompatible with that vertical orientation. They're only compatible with just the standard horizontal orientation, but they come with your kit. And then if you wanted just these screens by themselves, maybe you have some other kit that was working fine for you, we might start selling these next year, 2026, so you can check back to see if they're available. We'll still figure out if how many quantities we need to sell them, but we've had a lot of interest in them, so we'll see how that goes. So if you do have any questions about our screens or the kits that we sell for these hose and hose units, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll get back to you if you have any questions. Let me know if you have bug issues for your portable AC unit in a particular area that you live to. Yeah, and any other specific questions you may have, just reach out to us at martinsonmanufacturing.com. You can give us a call. We do have someone that will actually answer your phone call. You can shoot us an email and we'll help you out. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.